This is the tutorial video of Bernoulli equations, wherein it is the nonlinear that can be transformed into linear differential equations. And Bernoulli equations has its standard form, which is dy over dx plus d of x y is equals f of x y to the n. So from this given standard form here, it is linear when n here is equal to 0 and your n here is exponent of your y. So for example, we have a problem y prime plus y squared minus n, wherein y of 0 is equal to sine of pi over 4. And then from this given problem, from this given equation, we should transform it into its standard form, which is y dy over dx plus y squared equals x, and it will be multiplied by 1 over y. And it's now dy over dx plus y equals x y to the negative 1. So we let u here is u is equals y, and then we let here is another u is equal to y to the 1 minus n, wherein your n here is from the n of your standard form, which is negative 1. So this is u is equals y to the 1 plus 1, wherein your u value is equal to y squared. So from this equation, u is equals y squared, we get its derivative. So derivative is, that is du over dx plus 2y dy over dx, and we get the dy over dx here. This value of dy dx is 1 over 2y du over dx. So the value of dy over dx here will be substituted to standard form. So it's now 1 over 2y du over dx plus y equals x y to the negative 1. It is multiplied by 2y so that it may form into linear equation. So it is now du over dx plus 2y squared equals 2x. And then we may look for the integrating factor, which is the integrating factor is v cos e to the integral of 2 dx, and this is e to the 2x. So our integrating factor here is e to the 2x, and then the integrating factor will be multiplied through the standard form, which is e to the x. So it's now u times e to the 2x plus the integral 2x e to the 2x dx. So the integration of 2x e to the 2x dx is when we use the integration by parts. So let u here is equals x, and then du is equals dx. And the other side, dv is equals 2e to the 2x dx, and then our v here is e to the x, and then it's now u times e to the 2e equals the value of 2x e to the 2x dx is now uv, which is x times e to the 2e minus integral of v du, which is e to the 2x, and du here is dx. So the integral of e to the 2x dx is ue to the 2x plus x e to the 2x minus 1 half e to the 2x plus c. And it is multiplied by 1 over e to the 2x. So it's now the value of u is x minus 1 half plus c over e to the 2x. And then the u here is the value of your y squared. So from the given problem, when x equals 0, and then your y will be sine pi over 4. So this is used so that we get the value of c. So substitute, this is now sine squared pi over 4 is equals to negative 1 half plus c over e to the 0. And then the value of c is 1. Now here's the answer for the Bernoulli equation, which is y squared equals x minus 1 over 2 plus e to the negative 2x. So here's the answer for the Bernoulli equation.